Okay, I apologize for the mess. It is something. Anywho, this is a PS2 Slim, in case you couldn't tell. Just got it off eBay. I probably overpaid for it, but I really don't care. Came with all the good necessities, so whatever. Anyway, those in the know will know that PS2 Slims are known for disc reading issues. For instance, I got Ford Racing 3 in right now, and it's making some weird clicking noise, like it's having trouble, doing its thing. And, after the good old startup that we all know and love, it just goes to the browser menu. If I go to browser, it says, this disc cannot be read, all that fun stuff. However, this is where I'm getting confused and, quite frankly, pissed off. So I take this disc out and put in, Corvette Racing or, Gran Turismo 3 or literally any other game. It actually makes a noise as if it's reading the disc. And it actually loads. And it's really confusing and pissing me off to a point where I can't speak. But if anyone in the comments knows the reason why, besides, you should have got the fat model, which I'm aware and honest to God, I'm probably going to end up doing. So, yeah, if anyone knows what the issue is so I could just fix it, please do let me know. I have resurfaced the discs, so that's out of the question. But if anyone else knows an issue, even if it involves, taking this apart a little bit, please do let me know. And thank you.